singing and hango, kumani ban arts and hango, mane fine arts like painting, drawing and hango, kumani ke sports on and hango kande, halai mane co-curricular activity mane, like kakak events ini pun romdi. Sita non-curricular mane higher subject ka include pun. Mane inke and girls. Kupil ni hang hai, ये है sports, volleyball, sports वाला उनका अपना कितना मत हरकत के sports नहीं हंग पे ना career available, only science, commerce, arts, वाला कुछ में इतना engineering, medical, लाहर सी scope जो कौन sports उनका career available बुझी तो मत आता, नहीं तो अन्य चीज़ नहीं देना, सीधा sports, fine arts, if you are interested in acting also, lahai la bana to career. Sports ani ngan mo ari chirun tin mo jadi. Sports ani ngan dum pan kupilo. Sports and sports management degree of kupilo doge. You have BBA in sports management, 3 years. BSM, Bachelor of Sports Management. Labang bangke, nanti sports management akan jadi. Lahai degree dulu program yang after succeeding, you can become, sports team manager. You can become a coach. You can do sports promotion. You can train some athlete. Lahai course kado. Then. Another one, Bachelor in Physical Education. Bachelor in Physical Education, you can join after class 12 from any stream. Bachelor in Physical Education is of 4 years. Nantum Physical Education Institute. Nantum dari itu Demokrat Guwahati ke Lakshmi Bai National Institute of Physical Education bodo. Tanggal itu you can be a sports teacher, you can be a physical education teacher, you can be a trainer. Nah, tu mana sports ani ke hana tu ta career. Who likes amongst you? Kumama ani hang naik ke kilun ke kan singing, dancing. Kindly raise your hands. Kilun ke kan ni hang. Kilun ke kan penta itu career ke salam ni. Career itu long people opportunities do. Non before going through this complex mana. Non-long recent lah Bollywood long actor actress kumpan nang tu lang hade. Non akini ke bangi cuma yang main jadi lang dah latum kuna lo film institute pensi bachelor degree ke tangkang se. Although mana inborn talent nang tu nang takdo belong tak dulu tek. Kumane acting nang acting skill dulu tek. Di sita to further mana laswa skill bang aku diploma accomplish pameji pan you can join the Institute of Liberal Studies mane that bangke nantum film institute ang duno bulote hadakta not only acting as a career and to film direction, film editing ba film making Kadang orang bosan yang tu, jom si interested pun tak ada career pan, isi scope tetandu. Lapan ke punya program long, nanti teknologi itu lah media kote itu tak di. Jom si alam itu muson pemane kekalian menyingkirkan tu, mana isi ambition tu, bulote itu mass communication stream na join me. Di mass communication joint pen bulote itu Kupila kenai ke eligibility ke after class 12, after 10 plus 2, you can be from any stream. Science ke bachcho, arts ke bachcho, commerce ke bachcho, from any stream. You can join BBM, Bachelor in Mass Media, Bachelor in Mass Communication, BMC, Bachelor in Media Studies, BMS, Bachelor in Journalism and Mass Communication, BJMS, Bachelor in Journalism, Bachelor in Communication and Media. Kado kowe lahaya degree course ke is of 3 years. Inke lahaya course ang nang tunjong si claim dun pen. Nanti